trusting in my billboard now. Pop boy, they know how to get down. Get down, no they can't get me down. I talked to God just now, he told me, boy, go make me proud. So I can't slow down, no I can't go down. Got my head in the clouds, feeling like
I just need some space. I just need some space. Space. I just need some space. Space. I just need some space. Space. I just need some
space, like I'm chilling in a race. I'ma rock it like I'm NASA when I'm walking on the stage. Claustrophobic in my head, hoping that you never see it on my face. Put together on the outside, on the inside, I'm about to break. I need space, but I need love. Memories and amnesia that got me through the seasons when I didn't have a reason. Yeah. I know I'm shooting at the stars and Mars, cause I just need some
space. I just need some space.
Love is patient, love is kind. Love is the hardest thing to find, cause I thought that I had found it. A good thing turned bad and I started to doubt it. Now I'm stuck here asking like, what does it take to make it past the passion and stick through the pain? Wondering, is it even out there till you came in my life and showed me what it's like to be loved? I'll show you what I would do, what I would take, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved. Oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by someone who feels, someone who cares, someone who's simply there. Oh, to be loved, oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by. Love is painful, love is hard. Love can see beauty through the scars. There's an art to the edge, a brown to the brush strokes on burgundy canvas. No one like you got that perfect type of love, only from above, nothing like I'm used to. Yeah, this gon' take some getting used to. It's